You know what's funny, bro? We're all self-improving, motivated, planning to start tomorrow. Yet we stay stuck not because of bad luck, but because we keep falling into the same 5 traps over and over. Let's break them down before your brain goes, "All right, we'll deal with it later." Trap 1. I'll start when I'm ready. Classic. As if one day the universe will tap you on the shoulder and say, "Bro, it's time." But readiness isn't a feeling. It's a side effect of doing. You move first, confidence shows up later. Just like the gym, the first reps look like you're fighting gravity until suddenly it doesn't feel as daunting. If we had waited for the perfect version of ourselves, we would still be lying in bed scrolling How to Stop Procrastinating. Trap 2. Planning instead of acting. We've all done that perfect plan, rewrote it 50 times, organized it, color-coded it, and it looks productive. But a plan without action is just fan fiction about your future life. One messy step forward beats the perfect plan sitting in your notes app. Trap 3. Endless learning. This one gets everyone. You watch videos, read books, save posts, binge courses, and your brain goes, "We're improving." But where are the results? Knowledge without application is like buying tools and never building the house. One awkward attempt teaches more than 10 hours of useful content. Trap 4. Small wins replacing real wins. You clean your desk and feel like a new person. You make a to-do list and voila, you're an organizational genius. You sort your desktop icons and your brain gives you a trophy. But that's cosmetic. It feels good, but it doesn't move your life. Well, it's like eating a salad at lunch so you can justify a whole pizza at midnight. Trap 5. Tomorrow me will handle it. That guy in your head? He's perfect, disciplined, productive, unstoppable. The problem? He's fictional. Only present you exists, tired, chaotic, motivated, unmotivated, real. And if he doesn't start, nobody will. Bro, if you recognized yourself, that's fine. Seriously, we've all been there. What matters is getting out. And the best way isn't waiting or planning or learning, but taking one small, actual step today. That's the move that breaks the cycle. Leave a comment below telling me which trap caught you the most. Let's see how many future geniuses were just waiting for a nudge.